Today we'll be going over the application for an iPad. It is Picasso Lite HD. You can get it from the iTunes store. Do not confuse it with the phone application Picasso Lite. The HD application is for iPad. Open it up and click the button on the top right with the camera, then select Add Device. Here you will select IP domain and enter in a logical name for the device. Since this is going to be the away device, we'll type in away, and an address. This will either be your DDNS address or the static IP address. If you change the password on the device, which you should, change that here, and then click Start Live Preview. You'll be placed on a 4-screen grid landing where you can monitor 4 cameras at one time. Swipe left and right to go to the next series of cameras. So here we have cameras 5 through 8 and camera 9. Double tap on the image to bring up one screen view and swipe left and right to cycle through the cameras. Select the PTZ control button from the bottom, and you can now control PTZ movements such as zoom in and zoom out, pan and tilt as well, using the joystick on the left. You can also recall presets by selecting the flag and selecting the preset that you would like to recall. The presets themselves must be pre-configured in order to function. You also have focus and auto iris. There are a few grid views to view your cameras with using this app. This is the 16-channel grid view, the 9-channel grid view, the 6-channel grid view, and the 4-channel grid view. Here we can see the menu. In the menu you can select live preview, playback functions, device manager, local files such as snapshots, favorite cameras, the local config, and help. Now let's take a look at playback. Tapping on the channel will bring up a menu here. You can set the time and date, record type of regular, alarm, or motion detect. Decide on the channel with your favorite camera group, or today I'll select away and channel 1. And here you can see it's playing back from the specified time in the channel that I selected. Use the playhead at the bottom to scroll back and forth through the timeline. In local files within the menu, select the picture button to view the snapshots saved locally by pressing the camera button at the bottom of live view. In local config, you'll have PTZ step, capture mode, real-time playback, and protection. Choose the star icon to favorite a camera. You can select the group, and then you can also name the camera and pull it up later on from the menu location. In the device manager, you can add a device, view an existing device, edit its information, check alarm out controls, check the hard drive report, and configure a channel. Let's add another device. Here we'll create another entry for the DVR. This time we'll name it home. Unless you'd like to disconnect from your home Wi-Fi and use your 4G LTE data connection to view your cameras, this must be done. Give it a name and point it to the IP address of the DVR or NVR, match the ports, username and password, and click Save at the top. Logging into a device again is simple. Select the button at the top right and then select the entry that you've already prepared. Thank you for watching. For additional questions, use the comment box below.